Aidea AI has just been released, and in this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this AI software that could totally transform your digital marketing and workflow. By the end of this video, you'll know whether Aidea AI is the best fit for you and why it's one of the most promising AI tools hitting the market right now. Stick around till the end because I'll also share my top recommended AI tools that you can try for free. First, let's talk about what Aidea AI actually does. Unlike traditional AI software that focuses on one function, Aidea is an all-in-one solution that combines multiple AI features into a single platform. From content creation to automation and personalized marketing, it handles it all. This is a major plus for businesses or content creators looking to streamline their operations. The more tools you have in one, the less time you spend juggling multiple platforms. One of the standout features of Aidea AI is its ease of use. If you're new to AI or just looking for something that doesn't require a steep learning curve, this software delivers. The user interface is sleek and intuitive, making it accessible even to those without a tech background. No complex setup or overwhelming controls, just pure, efficient design. Another great thing about Aidea AI is its advanced content generation capabilities. If you're in digital marketing or creating content, this software can generate high-quality blog posts, social media captions, ad copy, and more, all within seconds. It uses natural language processing, NLP, to craft text that feels human, while also being optimized for SEO. This can save you countless hours trying to write and perfect content manually. But it doesn't stop there. Aidea AI goes beyond just writing. It also helps with analytics and campaign tracking. You can measure how well your content performs in real time and adjust your strategy on the fly. With AI-powered insights, you can make data-driven decisions without having to manually dig through metrics. It's like having your own marketing team working 24/7. The AI also excels in personalization. Aidea's machine learning capabilities allow it to understand your brand's voice and tailor content based on your audience's preferences. This is a game changer if you're looking to scale your marketing efforts without sacrificing quality or relevance. Personalization at this level used to be something only big companies could afford, but Aidea makes it accessible for everyone. Aidea AI also offers seamless integration with your existing tools. Whether you're using CRM systems, email marketing software, or social media platforms, Aidea plays nice with everything. This makes it incredibly efficient, as you don't need to switch between multiple apps to get the job done. It also reduces the chances of errors and makes your workflow more streamlined. Now, for the part you've probably been waiting for, pricing. The good news is, you can try Aidea AI for free. No upfront cost, and you can explore all the features before committing to a plan. So, if you're unsure whether this AI is right for you, there's no risk in giving it a shot. The free trial gives you a real sense of its capabilities. Finally, let's talk about Aidea AI's customer support. It's top-notch. Whether you need help getting started, have a technical question, or want to learn more about optimizing the software, their team is available 24/7. AI can sometimes be intimidating, but Aidea ensures you're never left in the dark. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try Aidea AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and I've put together a list of my top recommendations, all of which you can test out without spending a penny. If you're looking for the latest in AI-powered software that does it all, content generation, automation, analytics, and more, Aidea AI might be the game changer you've been waiting for. It's powerful, easy to use, and worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Check out my recommended AI tools in the description below, and I'll see you in the next review.